5 weather.
And welcome back, everyone. After a snowy Sunday, the upslope flow keeping some persistent snow showers in place, especially here into El Paso County. This is a live look into Fountain. This is South Santa Fe Avenue. Snow accumulating on the grassy surfaces, but not really seeing it here on the roadways yet. I think the snow does become more intense a little bit later into this evening, and we could see some light accumulations down into parts of Fountain and here into the Pikes Peak region. Now above the cloud level, we actually have sunshine today. Check out Cripple Creek, seeing mostly sunny skies, still some leftover snow there from what we saw throughout the weekend. Now back to Colorado Springs, down into the lower elevations, we are still seeing some of those snow showers. Temperature outside is 21 degrees, and we really didn't get much warmer than that throughout the day today, so certainly a cold start to what's expected to be a fairly chilly week of weather for us here in southern Colorado. In Pueblo today, we did manage to see a few peaks of sunshine. You kind of see that here in the shadow areas, but maybe a little bit of sun there along the Riverwalk, where the current temperature outside is 26 degrees. Now we are watching another weak disturbance that comes out of the mountains this evening. I think most of the heavier snow will be along and south of Highway 50. Even in these areas, not expecting more than a few inches. As we zoom back into the Pikes Peak region, you can see just some light snow showers. Most of this, again, not really accumulating much except on grassy surfaces, maybe on rooftops. Some of our cars I can see outside the studio starting to see just a thin layer of icing from some of that snow. Now we are on weather alert, and here's what you need to know looking ahead to tonight. Again, light snow showers in the forecast through about midnight. Accumulations generally around a trace to 2 inches, but could see some higher amounts down into the southern I-25 corridor and the mountain areas. And then we are tracking another Arctic blast. More snow expected beginning Wednesday afternoon into the day on Thursday. In the short term, here's what we're tracking across the region. Snow not expected to make it into the eastern plains, anywhere from a trace to an inch. Canyon City to the Springs to Pueblo. There's those larger amounts, 1 to 3 Rye to Walsenburg to Trinidad, 3 to 5 inches possible up across the Levita Pass. By tomorrow morning, the sunshine is back and it will be in full supply. That's going to boost our temperatures by around 10 to 15 degrees across the region. 30s to lower 40s, not bad compared to what we've seen the past few days, but certainly below average for us for this time of the year. Then as we head towards Wednesday afternoon, a cold front drops in from the cold Canadian north, and this brings in better upslope flow, more moisture expected to build into the forecast, and I think we will see periods of snow beginning Wednesday afternoon. Most of the models are now clearing it out by Thursday night, but some, including this one, this is the European, does keep the potential for snow in southern areas through early Friday morning. All right, here's a look at your overnight lows tonight, and they will be chilly once again, down to the single digits for the Pueblo area. Westcliff at 0, 11 in the Springs, and 10 in Monument. Highs tomorrow into the mid-30s for Monument, 42 in Pueblo, with some upper 40s for La Junta and Lamar. Here's your super 7-day forecast. I went 2 out of 5 on the impact scale. I'm going to show you why as we do a breakout on Thursday. We anticipate that we will be weather alert. It will be very cold with periods of snow, and I think the east side neighborhoods could see anywhere between 1 to 4 inches. West side anywhere between 3 and 6 inches. Friday, the leftover cold wants to hang on, but check out that weekend forecast rebounding back to the 50s. For Pueblo, we have low 40s Tuesday to Wednesday. Here comes the snow and the colder air Thursday and Friday. Don't forget this weekend, daylight saving time as we bring those clocks forward. Canyon City, low 40s Tuesday to Wednesday. Snow moves in by the afternoon, could continue through late Thursday night or early Friday morning. And for Woodland Park, dry on Tuesday, but snow shoveling weather and a 3 out of 5 on that impact scale as we head towards Thursday. Allison?
Alan, thank you. Traveling to Pop